Today we're about to do an oil pan on this q50 3.0. Typical crack in the oil pan, you know, the plastic garbage they put under there. They don't make the aluminum for these, I don't think, because all I see is rear-wheel drive. But you know, q60, same shade, they crack. Plastic oil pan, all that money, it cracks. But anyways, we're gonna do the oil pan. Let's get it. First things first, jack it up or put it in a ramp like me. Put it in a ramp. Now I gotta get under there, take out the shroud if you have one. If not, skip it. Skip what we're doing. I'm gonna put it a little higher because I need a little more space under there. So I'm gonna jack it up a little more. Anyways, if you have this metal shroud under there, take it off. Yeah, you see the oil? Look at the oil. Sheesh. Okay, let me jack it up and we'll continue. Okay, this is where I jacked it from, the back, well, in the middle. Make sure you put your safeties on, you don't want to die. So, put it back there, this is how high it is. Okay, now let's take out the shroud. Okay, so if you have this metal one, all you gotta do is take off this back, not the front bolts in the front, just the backs. Okay, so, let's get it. Okay, this one, I think. This one should be one here, but it's not there. Over here. Okay, out there, fall down. One here. Drop for your face, might fall on your face. You're definitely gonna power wash this thing because this thing look horrible. Okay, so the last bolt. Nope, one right here. One right here. Oh, shit. Oops. Oh, shit. Look at that oil, look. Boom, boom. It's crazy. Okay, so that's coming from here. I looked at it before. You see? Right here. And it just, as soon as you start it, it start leaking. Slowly, but adds up. Anyways, now let's drain the oil first. That's a must. You're not trying to take this off and the whole oil just laying on your face. It's good. Let's do it right now. Okay, this is a 14 if you didn't know. Shit. That thing off. Sure, you gotta drain the pan. Ooh, bop. Okay. Look how black that damn oil is. Sheesh. Black as hell. Black as me. Okay. Now we're gonna twist this oil filter off. We're gonna change that too. Everything's gonna be new. We got some oil from Z1. And the pan's from Z1 too. Let's wait till it's drained. So while it's draining, let's loosen this and look at the new pan. Okay, let's take off this after, because I don't want it draining while I'm working. Alright. So let's look at the new pan. Damn, look at that oil. It's like only 2 quarts. Okay, the new one right here. Oh shit, comes with a gasket. I didn't know that. We ordered another gasket. Sheesh. So if you're ordering yours, it comes with a gasket around there. So you don't have to order another one. Alright, so it's the pan right here. Same plastic pan. All this money for this car, and they put a plastic pan. Swallowed. It's crazy. Anyways, let's wait for that drain. Okay, it's a little bit drained now. Should be good. It's probably some back here because, you know, it's tilted upwards. So it's probably some over here still, but it is what it is. Let's close this. You gotta tighten it all the way. Okay, now you gotta remove these 10 millimeters. Let's wipe this real quick. I don't want this fall in my eye. Make sure you wear safety glasses. Don't be like me. Okay, dry this up a little. I'm gonna have to power wash here too. You could do it now or after. Don't really matter. But yeah, let's wipe this down. Wipe this down. Okay, now I'm gonna take off these 10 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right there. Okay, so it's 10 of them. Let's take those off. It's gonna be a little bit tighter. You might go to ratchet. Take this one off. Okay. Okay, let's go with the gun in there first. You have to be careful because this thing might fall on your face because it's not silicone. Got normal be using. Okay, these guys use a ratchet, but let's take these out. Probably 2 on there just in case. Let's take a ratchet and go over here and ratchet out. Okay, it is. Okay, so I got this rag holding it up. Hopefully, it stays up. Let's take off these on here. All right, I think that's the last one. All of them are out. Now all you gotta do is drop it down. Take off this rag out the way. Okay. Now let's just drop it. Careful. Oh, okay. Oh, damn it! Now on my damn floor. Shit. Well, anyways, yep, this is it. Right here. Okay, so I like cleaning this thing. All the oil off before installing the other one. See, it's not that bad, but still want to clean it. You could use aluminum wire to remove these little crust, but should be alright. Not that bad. It's not silicone, so if you want, you could do that. I'm gonna put a little brush on it, polish it a little bit, some brake cleaner, and get ready to put the new one on there. Make sure the brush is the gold one, not the silver one. Silver one will scratch this thing. Okay, so that's a little bit, not crazy. Just scrub this up. Scrub, 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 scrub. Okay, should be good enough. Okay, once you're done cleaning, just put the new one on there. Same way we took it off. Put in there, put the 10mm bolts, and wrap it up. Okay, so when you're putting it back, if you're using this gun, be careful, man. Do not over tighten it. Do not, press it and it goes in so fast, you might crack it again. Okay, so once you do that, I like to take it, snug it with a ratchet. Okay, if you want to do that foot-pounds thing, you could do it. You could look it up. But me, I'm gonna just snug it in my hand. For those who don't know what snug means, meaning hand tighten. So I'll take this ratchet and go all around. Just try to snug it up. While we doing that, let's take out the filter while we tightening the oil pan. Let's take this out. If you haven't changed your diff fluid, make sure this is the drain plug. Make sure you, since you're here, you do it as well. And the filler is up there. Drain, fill. You know, this garbage oil on there. Most of it. Okay, if you want to power wash it, you can, but this should be good enough. Yeah. Okay, should be good. If you want to put some brake cleaner, spray it up. You can't, but it should be good enough. Once you're done, make sure you put the oil in there, drop it down, boom, boom, boom. I gotta do other stuff to this, that's why it's still up. And yeah, for you, put your oil, drop it down, and make sure you put the shroud back, and that's it. Helped you out. Give me a like, subscribe. Later.